Year is 1990. PCs are the future. I'm staring at my screen, feeling like a clown. Trying to install software from these floppies round and round. The PC is so old, it's practically prehistoric. Every step I take feels more and more historic. Floppy disk spinning like a relic from the past. Trying to install software, but this PC won't last. I'm stuck in a time warp, feeling so absurd. Installing from floppies, oh how utterly absurd. I blow off the dust, hoping for some luck, but these ancient discs are just plain stuck. The installer crashes like a car with no brakes. I'm starting to wonder if I'm making some mistakes. Floppy disk spinning like a relic from the past. Trying to install software, but this PC won't last. I'm stuck in a time warp, feeling so absurd. Installing from floppies, oh how utterly absurd. I've got more discs than a circus's clowns, but this installation process just brings me down. I feel like I'm wrestling with a stubborn mule, but I won't give up, no matter how uncool. So here I am in software installation hell. But I'll keep on going, even if it's just as well. One day I'll look back and laugh at this strife, but for now, I'll keep fighting for a digital life.